All right, hello everybody. So I'm going to show you how to graph in Webassign using linear inequalities. So real quick, what we're going to do here is we're just going to go ahead and plot our points, what we need here. All right. So we can see that the y-intercept is 0, positive 3. So that's going to be up here. And then we use our slope to determine the next point, which is going to be down 1, then to the right 3. So down 1, to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. So here's our second point. And initially, what we have to do is we're going to double click on this, on the line tool. We're going to click our 2 points. Now, since our inequality symbol here is less than or equal to, this will be a solid line. However, if you wanted a dashed line, then what you have to do on the right side of your screen, click on line 1, open up that window pane, and then you will see right here where it says dash. So as you can see here, I can change it from dash to solid just by clicking on that little icon right there. All right, but since this is less than or equal to, it's going to be a solid line. The next thing, we need a test point because we got to figure out where to shade. Remember, we're always going to use the origin, but do not click on it because Webassign will register that as one of your points. What you want to do is just look at this and say, okay, well, I'm going to choose the value 0, 0. And I'm going to make sure that I form a true statement when I'm talking about the inequality here. So if I substitute in 0, 0, so let me go ahead and let me try that for us. Let me just open up our notes real quick. All right, I'm just going to open up just a random page here. So we have y is less than or equal to negative 1/3 x plus 3. Remember, our test point is 0, 0. So we just substitute it in. And then we just reduce, and we ask ourselves, what is that result? Is it true or is it false? Well, 0 is definitely less than or equal to 3, so this is true. So we know wherever 0, 0 is, that is going to be the side of the line that we shade. So going back into our notes here, or going back into the problem, I click on the fill icon, and 0, 0 is down here. It's right here, all right, in the origin. So I'm just going to click on that side. And that is it. You submit your answer, and you get your nice green check mark here, which is you can see in the lower right-hand corner. And that is how you graph using Webassign to do linear inequalities. So I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.